Hey guys, welcome back to Adam's Garage 101. So, I'm working on my wife's 13 Dodge Journey. I've been having this clunking sound for about over a year now, and I couldn't figure it out and everything. And as you know, in my previous videos, I showed you I replaced the strut, and I talked about the outer, the inner tie rods, the lower ball joint, sway bar link, just you name it. I've replaced everything on this thing, and I was it to my wits end. I'm, clunk. I hear clunk, 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 and I'm so. Turns out the CV axle, which you can physically see here, I'll point it out here, right here, this thing right. This whole thing was bad. I got underneath there. I'm shaking it back and forth here, clunk, 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 clunk. It was bad, and the old one's right there. So I've been fighting with this thing since Friday. I couldn't get it out, and I was going to purchase that tool, which I'll put at the end of this video here. And I just called my cousin up here. He helped me. Thank God for him. Thank you so much, man. I really appreciate it. He helped me, popped it out and everything. He even had a hard time getting out, but he got it out, and I'm thankful for that. And I got it in. I'm putting it back together. It's starting to rain, so I better boogie on this, but I just wanted to do that real quick. Hope this helps all you guys out there. They're on the Dodge forums and complain about these clunking sound, and you're pulling your hair out and can't find it. I really hope this helps you guys out. I'll put a picture of a video of that thing that they sell to pop these out to make it easier for people like, if you're like me, you have a hard time popping these CV shafts out. I'll put a picture at the end of this video. I am going to purchase one of them. I ever got to do one of these again. I'm going to use that. Okay, guys. Got you on flip side.